Are you looking for best rectangle above ground pools on the market? Look no further. In this video, we will take a look at the top 5 best rectangle above ground pools on the market. These pools are made from high quality materials and are designed to last for years. So let's get started with the list. List number J Leisure Avenli Outdoor Backyard Above Ground Swimming Pool. J Leisure 20 by 10 above ground swimming pool, deep 2 feet by 4 feet rectangle pool, fits into most yards and makes a great addition to your party backyard or garden. A deep-end rectangular pool is a great way to entertain friends and family year-round. Extraordinary design, durable frames set the stage for a thrilling game tournament, while the I-frame metal provides strong support with a rust-resistant design for lasting use. Approximately 978 gallons. Backyard above ground pool dimensions are 120 centimeters by 81.6 centimeters by 25.6 centimeters. Make the most of your backyard with this beautiful above ground pool. Featuring a sturdy metal frame that can emerge as a new space to gather friends and family all summer long. The 3-layer laminated polyester mesh provides pool walls with durability, and this I-frame metal provides strong support with a rust-resistant design for lasting use. Enjoy the cool comfort of your own private oasis while having fun in the sun.
List new. Bestway Deluxe Splash Kids Rectangular Above Ground Swimming Pool. The Bestway 56498 Deluxe Splash 9.8 by 6.7 by 26 inches Kids Rectangular Above Ground Swimming Pool is the perfect size for little swimmers to splash around and build their confidence. The Splash Cool 9.8 inches by 6.7 inches by 26 inches pool is designed for maximum stability with our patented seal and lock system that provides a safe edge with minimal bending, no leaks, and easy setup thanks to its innovative frame design. Suitable for use indoors or outdoors in water parks and swimming pools, with quiet operation thanks to its self-contained motorized filtration system. The pool is built with 3-ply PVC support bands to make it easy to assemble, as well as a self-leveling non-skid base to keep it safely in place at all times. This pool is very easy to maintain thanks to its durable construction. The Steel Pro Deluxe Splash Above Ground Pool provides durability and stability greater than any inflatable pool option. List number Summer Waves Above Ground Outdoor Rectangle Frame Swimming Pool. The Surf and Slide 18-foot by 9-foot above ground rectangle pool is perfect for your backyard. The durable polyester mesh top, triple-layer polyethylene bottom, and rust-resistant metal frame can stand up to heavy use and the elements. This complete pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. This rectangular pool measures 18-foot by 9-foot by 52 inches deep and includes 110/120-volt filter pump with GFCI, pool cover, ladder, deluxe maintenance kit, Type-C filter cartridge, repair patch kit, and ground cloth. After a long day spent working in the yard or on the job, jump in your above-ground pool for an instant swim around to relax away from the worries of the world. Made of a durable rust-resistant metal frame, this above-ground pool will stand up to heavy use. List 4. Summer Waves Elite Outdoor Rectangular Frame Above Ground Swimming Pool. Soak up summer sun with the splash from your very own above-ground swimming pool. Featuring a wicker print design and an innovative triple-layer polyester mesh that's built to stand up to heavy use and the elements. This family-sized pool will fit in any backyard or patio setting. Included with this rectangular swimming pool are a 110 and 120-volt filter pump, filter cartridge, pool cover, 4-step ladder, and a ground cloth, so you can start enjoying the comforts of your own backyard pool right away. Built to last with an easy-to-clean surface, this family-sized rectangular pool features a sleek wicker print design to complement all your landscape and patio furniture. The included Skimmer Plus pump will make quick work of keeping the water clean, while our Foam Buoyancy Assist program works to keep all of your kids and pets safe in the pool. List number
Intex puncture-resistant rectangular frame above-ground backyard pool. The next summer adventure awaits you with the pool. The Intex rectangular frame pool has a 14 feet by 33 inches diameter to ensure that your little one can swim in comfort and safety. The pool features a fully enclosed safety valve, automatically drains water back into the pump, so if they fall in, they will stay dry. The Intex rectangular frame pool comes equipped with an overhead frame, ground stakes, and ladder pumps to keep it secure wherever you place it. Escape the summer heat and help keep your little ones cool with the Intex rectangular frame pool. Its 14 feet by 28-inch size provides plenty of space to splash around and play. Soft top walls protect them from splashes, while the outflow valves are designed to stop water as soon as it escapes.